Attention everybody, this video is not for everybody. If you are a Nigerian or you have intention to buy landed property, or you have acquired landed property, or you have to learn with writing a will, watch this video. I want to play a clip for you. After playing the clip, I will explain. Very important. Just listen. Listen. Watch you. Listen.
Residents of Irrua in Eastern Central Local Government Area of Edo State, on Friday, 19th June 2026, witnessed the enforcement of judgment of the High Court, Irrua, and the Court of Appeal Benin Division.
You can hear that.
Concerning the ownership and management of Zuma Memorial Hospital. The execution, carried out by the court bailiffs and security personnel, saw business owners and occupants of some properties within the hospital premises hurriedly removing their belongings, as several buildings and business spaces were permanently sealed. According to officials at the scene, persons who purchased properties from Mr. Christopher Okoje, EC, were deemed illegal occupants following court decisions. Consequently, all developers and individuals claiming interest contrary to the judgment have been advised to stay away from the premises to avoid contempt proceedings and possible imprisonment. The bailiffs disclosed that the late founder, Dr. Christopher Igbelukoto Okoje, did not bequeath Zuma Memorial Hospital to any of his children. Rather, he entrusted the institution to a corporate board to ensure its continuity and preserve its vision of maintaining the hospital as a viable establishment dedicated to serving humanity.
You can hear that. Now, let me proceed. You see what you just watched. This case has been, this is about Zuma Memorial. For those people who are familiar with Edo State, particularly Eastern Central, Irrua. This Irrua Memorial, this Zuma Memorial, sorry, has been in court since. Why? What happened? Very brief. I was very brief. The man was alive, a medical doctor. He was using that premises as a hospital, you know. Then after he died, after he kicked the bucket, he kicked the jerrycan, he kicked the gallon, the children shut down the hospital and they started selling the properties. And meanwhile, when this man was alive, this Dr. Okoje, he wrote a will. In his will, he said, I'm not willing this property, this hospital to my children. No. I'm willing it to a separate body, separate corporate body to manage it. You know, for you listen to the video. Meaning that hospital, the will, the letter and spirit of that will reads that hospital will remain till Jesus come. But what happened? After he died, the children came on board, started selling property. It's our father, it's our dad, and nobody. They went to, the matter went to court. First at High Court, Irrua, then Court of Appeal. The court said, no. When the man was alive, forget the father is your father. The man already said, see, I did not give any of my property to my children. I will it to a corporate body to manage it, you know, for the betterment of humankind, to use as hospital. Meaning the intent of that man was for the hospital to remain. You see, persons started buying property for there. Even in the clip, there's a man, an Airtel man. Yes, a man standing. Either Airtel or Glow man, but I suspect Airtel man standing on the property and all of that. You see, exercise in futility. What does that mean? Number one, if you want to buy property or you have, you want to buy property multi-millionaire, don't be selfish, not staging. Pay a lawyer to do a legal search for you. Don't be staging. That's number one. Then secondly, as an individual, you see, if you have a property, you are alive, you have a property that you have a business you are running, you don't want that business to buy as you want to buy. You can write in your will that I don't want this business to buy. And so body continue running the business for me. Even when that body you appointed to run the business want to end, they have the right to see appoint other people to continue running that business for you. Meaning eternity, that business will not buy. That was why this late Gani Fawahimi, all of us know late Gani Fawahimi. Most of his companies he was running like most of his companies like some of the law reports up till date is still in existence. They did not sell it. Gani Fawahimi of blessed memory already wrote how his estate will be administered, how all the money that is coming from that company, how it will be shared among his children generation. He already wrote a will to that effect. So this is an eye-opener. If you have children, we don't pray for that anyway, that don't want to work, they are lazy, or they are just waiting for you to buy, for them to sell your property. You can, in your will, you can do something like this. They will have nothing to inherit. Nothing. You see,